Without a book, without a room, is a body like without books. I hope everyone will agree this point. I would like to welcome our author Sujata. Welcome to our author's channel, Sujata.
Thank you so much, Aruna.
Yeah, a small intro about Sujata ji. Sujata ji is a best-selling Indian novelist, story writer, poet, and a founder of Let's Talk It to Express. And Sujata till now written like a 10 books, which is a great. And then across genres she covered. And her recent title is the sorry, one
The
minute.
Temple Bar Woman. Yeah,
Yeah, the
I'll help
Temple
you.
Bar.
Yeah.
Yes. So, welcome to our show, and we hope we both will enjoy, and our reader also going to enjoy our shows. So, how you
Absolutely.
handling this session? How exactly it's going to your city? I'm in Bangalore, and you are in Delhi. So, I think
Yes.
definitely it is different for each and everyone right now. The movement is going on. So, share me a few things. How you are going through it actually.
Well, it's the same, I think, everywhere. Whatever the situation might be in Bangalore, I don't think so. We are, experiencing anything different here in Delhi. This is also in red zone. In fact, all the 11 districts in Delhi are in red zone. So, of course, the lockdown is there. Today, there was a bit of an incident because of, all the liquor shops were
Oh,
opened up, and that caused a lot of chaos. It was funny as well as quite worrisome. I don't know why we as people are not realizing that this virus is nothing, not to play with. It's not like a child's play. We have
yeah,
seen the number of deaths across the world, and there are no vaccinations, no medicines that is working as of now. So why are we taking it so easy or so light? Is something that as a person, as a writer, I've been wondering for a while. And maybe something will come out of this. Maybe a story may come out of this. I'm sure lots of writers are writing around that. Anyway,
yeah,
besides writing, I'm doing a lot of stuff. So I'm like doubly busy, and I'm sure all of us are. I'm not much of a cook, and I've shared this on social media several times. I used to avoid cooking like anything. And I think this is one scenario where we are all forced to or face our fears and are forced to do what we have been avoiding so far. And for me it has been cooking, and but I'm glad, I'm like really proud of myself with the kind of dishes I'm coming out with. The family is enjoying, and I'm initially I used to look up YouTube videos, and I've stopped doing that for a while now, unless and until it's something that I don't know completely. So I'm trying it out on my own, and they're coming out nice, apart from my parathas and chapatis, which are still horrible. Other stuff, other things are I'm cooking well. And apart from that, there are tons of things to do, and one doesn't realize in the normal course or the pre-COVID area, we never used to realize that things would be like this, or how does a household runs, and what happens in a house, and while you are busy with your work and traveling and whatever all the other things that
yeah.
you are engaged with, you don't know what is happening in the house. I mean, you just superficially take care of stuff, and you feel, oh, that's enough. But small little things, it adds up. So apart from cooking, there are other household chores, and then I'm writing a little. I'm working on my 11th book. By the way,
Oh,
my 10th book has to come out this year. It's a romance, a mature romance, and it has
okay.
to yet come out by end of this year. I have written it, so my job is done. But I think we'll be talking a bit more on that my job is done part as we
Oh,
progress.
great.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you
So
don't mind, would you like to tell the title name?
no. No. I've just given you the clue that it's a mature romance. It's a romance story. I've already shared this at other places also, but don't want to give out the title so easily. Not right now. But
Okay.
I will soon. We will be coming out with the entire details and all. Me and Sohail, you might know Sohail
Yeah,
Mathur,
yeah.
and yeah. So soon we'll be posting about it. I purposefully I didn't want it to happen at this time, at this moment in time. Don't want to come out with all that, but soon we'll be
Okay,
disclosing. Yeah.
so Suhail is going to pitch, or already the
No,
publisher
no, it's
decided?
the publisher has already decided. It's
Oh, so
yeah.
even publisher name also you don't want to reveal?
No, nothing right now. No.
Okay. All the best for your upcoming book. We'll wait for it. Definitely, it will be best-selling only. There is no doubt on it.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah. So yeah, even I'm sorry, even I am also not good in cooking as same. So it
Yeah.
is. I feel when it goes for a cooking, it's really a worst time.
Yeah.
Maximum females in this generation, especially working ladies, who
Hats off
really
to them.
suffer.
All those who cook well, I mean, hats off. Who can stay inside the kitchen for hours, like couple of hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. I don't know how much time it takes. It must be different for different person, but it does take time, and then it must be acknowledged.
Yes, we
It's like
need to be.
creating a book. It's like
Yeah,
writing a story, cooking
I think
story.
you need to write a book. You need to start thinking writing about a book of this genre also.
Oh
Especially, I'm
yeah,
having a mind.
yeah,
Having a
yeah.
mind.
You gave me a good idea. Yes.
So you can write a short story. In fact, you'll get a number of stories of experience of different people, how they going through of this time,
Yes.
which is an interesting topic that you can choose, and hence you are a good short storyteller. So definitely you need to pen about that topic
Yes.
also.
Absolutely. Yeah. I'll think
Yes.
about it. Yeah. Thank you.
Tell me now, we are coming to the point like a marketing part, publishing, marketing, and other stuffs. Being a publisher, there is a question from my end to you. Uh, do you think marketing a book is required? It is a necessary, or marketing by writer? It is a necessary, and how you did for your first book?
Well, I think yes to both the questions. Marketing definitely is required. Marketing has three parts to it, which is the first one is publicity, then is promotion, and then is your public relations. All three areas play an equal and important and significant role in making the product visible. Promoting is encouraging activities around that product to make it even
Yeah,
more visible there. And then of course public relations calls for engaging with the with your audience, with your readers, with the even with the industry people and the other writers, fellow writers. Everybody should know about what you have come out with. And I think publisher and author, they play, and the literary agent as well, I think all of them play a very important role, and author's role is equally important, extremely important in fact nowadays, to market their books. Now when my first book was published, it was 10 years ago. I am a writer by chance. I became a writer by chance. Now I
oh,
can't say that. But when I started off, I had no clue, no idea at all about the publishing industry. So after writing the book, I was like, okay, now it's all, it's not, my job is over. Now it's
yeah,
the publisher will take over and they will do whatever. So what I used to do was, when In Pursuit of Infidelity was my first book, um, and when that was published, it was published by Rupa. It was very well distributed. Okay, it went everywhere, all the stores in Delhi, everywhere. So Rupa has a very good distribution system.
yeah, true.
So it also did quite well. The book did extremely well. And the only thing that I used to do was, I used to go to the stores and ask the store people, the keepers, the storekeeper and all, that is the book doing well? How many copies are selling? Are people asking, inquiring about the book? And I used to be happy with that. Whatever information I got from them, I would be happy with that. But that won't suffice now.
That's what my
Yes,
question also.
it won't
What do
suffice
you
now. That
feel?
Yeah. So now I only realized after my third or fourth book came out that I should be more proactive in promoting these books, in making it visible. So I lacked there initially. Even now I shy off. I kind of avoid doing too much. I it just doesn't come naturally to me. But that is no excuse. We will have to play our part, because this is a very difficult industry. So anyway, you don't get much. Writers don't earn out of book writing.
Yes.
But if you have produced a book, if you have brought out something, then it is your job, it is your primary responsibility as well to ensure that it gets its due recognition. As much as you can do, don't go overboard. So I have seen both sides of this, that I have seen some people going overboard, in my opinion. Now that may be, they may be able to justify it in a way that is agreeable to most, right? But for me, I feel that yes, you need to use social media to your advantage. Use Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, all of these, to engage with your readers, to talk about your product, to have chats like these that we are talking about. Go to events. Don't only talk about your book, but talk about books in general. Talk about writing. All these things will add up. Interest in a writer will generate interest in books, and vice versa. Interest in the books also generates interest in the writer. Right. So these things are becoming more and more important, and I feel that we as writers we should stop trying to keep ourselves away from the marketing part of it. And a lot of people, I see a lot of fellow writers I've seen, they are doing wonderfully well. They know how to. I'm still getting a hang of Twitter. I'm okay with Facebook, and I'm okay with LinkedIn, but Instagram and Twitter, these are two platforms where I am still trying to get a hang of it, how to go around the whole thing. I do promote my books there, but not too much. I'm not too much into it, and I need to work a little more on myself in that area. Yeah.
Definitely. And being a marketing person, I would like to add here one point. Like the author need to visit stores also to coordinate with the executives to promote their book.
Yeah,
Once always like that presence help you to sell your books more. Because
absolutely agree.
once you visit to a store and you are coordinating with the executive, so your face and your book will remain to the executive mind.
Oh yeah, yeah,
Yeah, and then when readers comes, because more than has store executives know like his customers,
yeah.
and what type of books his customers will buy. So in
Yes,
one once his customers is back, or some new releases, other things comes, means executive will upsell your book. So for that reason, authors need to visit often to the bookstores. It's not that your book, when your book release, that time only you need to go. You can go
yeah,
in the middle of that also, just to ask how the books are going, what's happening in the market. You
yeah,
cannot get all the information in online. If you visit a bookstore, so because like nowadays the book market is going down, so
hmm,
I feel it's every author, literary agents, publishers, everyone have that responsibilities to push bookstores to come up.
yeah.
I hope you agree this.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. Totally agree with that. And I do it myself. I do go and visit bookstores and check out my books as well as other people's books. And
Yeah,
yeah, so.
so that's a good sign,
But
like a help.
anyway, after this COVID situation, I think everyone, all the industries, major industries have been impacted. And of course, book industry has been impacted really badly. And so we need to step up our marketing efforts and find
Yes.
innovative ideas and, some creative ways of promoting our work.
Creative is I don't know like what we are going to create new things and going to come into the market, but it's
Yeah.
going to be a big challenge, a
Challenge.
tough
Yeah.
things for in all the industries, not only
I
in
agree.
book industry. Already the book industry is a bit going down,
True.
but now this scenario, it's going to be very difficult for us.
Yeah.
And what about the Kindle? What do you feel, how the Kindle is going now?
I don't have much idea about Kindle, because I myself am not a very Kindle fan. I still like to read digitally, and I like to hold my book and read. And so I don't go there also so much. And I don't follow the any information or anything coming out about Kindle. I'm not really, in touch with any news about how it is doing or not doing, what is the what are the different ways you can promote Kindle or whatever. So but whatever little that I know, I feel that it will still take some time for people in India, at least in our country, to warm up to
Yeah.
the online platform. Yeah.
And especially selling debut author books in Kindle, it is a bit difficult.
Okay. I'm sure
Uh,
you know more. Yeah,
yeah.
please.
So it is because we need to promote a lot.
Yeah.
We need to show to the authors. Compared to Kindle, yeah, offline market is a good for a debut authors.
Right.
Where we can push a friend display. We have a lot of option in offline market for a debut authors.
Okay.
So not, I didn't find that much in a Kindle, but again, I'm working on it. I'm digging
Okay.
more in a
Yeah.
social media, digital marketing, how we
Yeah.
can come up.
Maybe now it will pick up. Now people will
Mm,
hesitate to buy physical books. There is a probability that Kindle may overtake, the physical copy, and may do better.
yeah,
All the readers may turn to this medium now more and more, not wanting to touch books and all that. I don't know. This is just a guess. But
uh,
hardcore readers like me will again go back to the. I'm waiting for the lockdown to be over, and so that I can place some orders. I have a list of books that I need to buy and purchase, but I'm just waiting for
that's
this
great.
period. Yeah.
How about in Delhi? The bookstores are open.
I don't think so. No, I think they are closed. But I'm not aware. Seriously,
Okay, okay.
yeah,
But
I'm
in
not moving
Bangalore, there
around.
are few stores open like a Sapna, Blossoms, Bookworm. So
Oh, okay, that's
these
great.
stores, yeah, these stores are, and they are announcing also it's a fully sanitizer and other stuffs. They are taking care of very hygiene and
Sanitization.
other
Yeah.
stuffs.
Okay, great. Wonderful.
Yeah,
It's very good
yeah.
news.
And
Yeah.
I heard in Delhi, Oxford might be open. Even I am not sure about it in
Okay.
Delhi.
Yeah, I'll
Yeah,
find out now.
yeah, please. You can find out that you can share those information in a social
Absolutely.
media.
I
So
will.
it
Yeah.
will help to the readers if in
Yeah.
nearby who are
If
in
I
a
come to know,
Connaught
yeah.
place, they can visit
Sure.
a bookstores and they can go ahead for these.
Sure. I will. Yeah.
Yes. So now going for a next question. Your recent release book, like which particular which particular aspect of your books you promoted more?
That's a
The
good
Temple Bar
question.
Woman.
Yeah.
Do you have a
So,
book? Can you show the Temple Bar Woman book
yeah, I
to the
think
audience?
yes, I have it here. Can you see? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We are able to
Ulta.
see.
That's the
Yes.
Ulta. Yeah. Okay. So that's the Temple Bar Woman, my latest book.
Okay.
Okay, so now which aspect of the book I promoted most? Well, I tried to be, I tried to promote all aspects, little bit of everything, some excerpts from the book, a bit about the theme, the storyline, but I think I focused a lot on the characters because I myself found them so interesting. There's
Okay.
several characters in the book, and three or four of them are really dear to me because they are based on real life characters, bits of not completely, but inspired by some real life characters I met while doing my research for the book. And so I tried to create short nuggets of information for these describing these characters, and then I posted them on social media on different platforms. And I tried to tell the story from their point of view, the entire story from their perspective, from their individual perspective, and that's how I try to promote it. Although in the beginning the video was shared, the promo video was shared, and people could make out that this is a book on it's a socio-political thriller. It's slotted as a socio-political thriller, but it's essentially a revenge story of a rape survivor, and how she goes about catching the perpetrator uh, over a span of 20 years. That's the story about. But the idea was not to actually talk about rape so much, as much it was to show the courage and the resilience of a rape survivor. And without playing the victim card, we have been playing the women have been playing the victim card for too long, and people have been also try kind of accepting that part in our society for some reason or the other. But they are not so weak. We are people, right? Gender has no role to play here. People are either strong or weak, but there is inherent potential, there is inherent strength in all of us. And when we go through a crisis situation like we are going now, this comes up. You bounce out, or
Yes.
bounce back, to and that inherent strength shows at these times, in such times. So that was the idea to show. And of course I wanted to bring out this whole discussion into the drawing rooms, for people to talk more easily about it. It's a stigmatized topic. People go hush hush when they are talking about sexual abuse, or when they're talking about rape and all. So I wanted people to have more discussions on it. That was the idea. And living in Delhi more so, I felt
Yeah.
that this kind of a story must come out. But having said all that, it is the intent was definitely very serious, but it's a Bollywoodish story. If you pick it
Okay.
up and you start reading it, you can very well say, I mean, because I'm a writer of the book, and this is my book, so it's not because of that I'm saying it, but it comes across. All my books are very like dealt in a way that they are racy. They have that element of filmy element जो होता है, commercial fiction, which that's why we I don't like that term, but then yeah, we are called that. So writers are writers, okay? We don't like to be categorized as literary, commercial, this, that, or we are storytellers or story writers. So,
Yeah.
but that element is there. So
Okay.
it's spicy, or it's racy, and it's fun to read. So yeah, it's an interesting story. Yeah.
Oh, that's really great.
Yeah.
If I'm not wrong, when we met Panchkula Lit Fest, that time we were discussed this story, right?
That time I was writing. Yes,
Yes.
we did discuss it. But that time I was writing. I had come out with my short story collection then, and I was
Okay.
there for that, to release that
Yes,
short story
yes. So
collection then.
there we
Yeah.
met first time actually.
Yes, yes,
You, me, and
absolutely.
Nishant.
Oh yeah, it was fun.
Hope you remember.
Of course, Nishant. I'm as much in touch with him as I am in touch with you. It's like, yeah, throughout. Yes.
Yeah. Since you both are in Delhi, definitely.
Yeah, yeah, he's very much part of my. We keep having regular conversations. I haven't touched base with him for a while now, but he's there.
Yeah.
Definitely, we are in touch. Yeah,
Yes, yes. That's really great.
yeah.
And like, I hope your book is right now. It is available in Kindle.
I Yes, there is a Kindle
Yeah,
version
its
also.
Kindle version is there, right?
Yes, yeah.
Yes. Okay. Okay. So now, before winding up, I would like to give you a few tips for aspiring authors from your end. What exactly, in which area they need to work more? What do you think?
So
Please
apart
share a few
from
things.
aspiring writers, I think apart from writing and reading a lot, all kinds of books, every book will add value. There is nothing called I should read these kind of books and not read that kind of books. That's not right. If somebody thinks like that, that's not a right thinking. Read all books, all kinds of books. Write every day. These are common advices or tips that all authors will give you. But apart
Yeah.
from that, I want to focus on something which I found that recently a lot of young writers, what they are doing is, okay, what they will do is, okay, this is trending, this kind of book is trending, so let me focus on that. Let me write a book, a love story, because that sells well. No, please don't do that. Please don't follow trends. Please don't kind of you if you like or admire an author, please, that's go ahead. Please read their books and learn from it, absorb their stories, whatever, all that. But focus on yourself. Focus on improving your own self and your own writing. Don't get overwhelmed by what is happening outside of you, but go inside, and what is it exactly that you want to write about, or you feel passionate about, or get something that inspires you. So write about those topics. So this is something I want to really kind of say or share with the aspiring authors, that don't follow trends at all. Just look what you want to write about, or what you are passionate about, and go with that. Apart from
Okay.
reading and writing, that is very very important. Read and write. Read as much as you can, and write every day. Yeah.
Okay. There is one person, Mr. Naveed. He's asking like your book is available in Hyderabad.
Hyderabad, I will have to check with my publisher and get back to you. I think it should be available, but I am not certain. So I will have to really check. I will revert to this query.
Yeah, yeah. But
Okay.
in Kindle it is available. So
Yeah, it is. It is
yeah, Mr.
available.
Naveed, the book is available in Kindle. Right now, you cannot buy a paperback, so
Yes,
you
so
can
go
buy
for
it in
Kindle.
online. You can download the book and you can read. And please
Yes,
leave the review. Review is very very
very
important for a
important.
author and publisher.
Yeah,
Yes.
pleasure.
So, anything else you would like to share about a book? Because I am very interested on a book. So, if you interested, you can share some more points to our readers. If at all, if
Uh,
they need to buy your recent book, why they need to buy?
because it's a unique storyline. You as I shared earlier, that it's not the focus. Of course, the theme is sexual abuse and rape, but the story is dealt in a very interesting manner, wherein a young village girl is not she's a teacher, actually quite educated and everything, but she teaches in a village school, is picked up for a flimsy reason by three powerful politicians, and she's gang raped and thrown into a brothel.
Oh,
And from there, what happens, and how her journey from there on, is what the book all about. What I did, I took 4 years to write this book. So I did a good research. For my previous books, I did not have to do so much of research, but for this one, I really had to. And I visited GB Road, as well as the red light area in Singapore, to observe and see
oh,
the body language, and and compare and do a comparative. I did a comparative analysis of sex workers in India as well as in Singapore. That also I did. And some of the stories, and of course I interviewed some sex workers in GB Road here in Delhi.
oh,
um,
great.
and all those things, little things, but they make the story really engaging, and um, you may be able to connect to some of the characters quite well. So I would urge you to read the book for the story, for the characters,
Okay.
um, and also to understand this world we usually we stay away from, we ignore, we neglect, and we don't pay attention to. It's another life altogether. So you get a glimpse of that also, what happens, what goes on there, how are they, women there, how are they keeping themselves, despite being the most vulnerable, how strong they are, how they joyously they are still moving on in their lives. And you learn a lot of things. So it's partially based on reality, the story. Um, and of course, the entire story, the whole story is fiction. It's a fiction uh, version, but there are certain episodes and all in the book which I have tried to which are inspired by the real life interactions I had with these women and all that. So yeah. So yeah, go and read the book.
That's really great. And it's a pleasure having you in our session, Sujata. And we'll wait for
Thank
your
you.
new books. And I would like to do one more interview before your release.
Sure,
We
I would
can do
love that.
a pre-release in a
Why not?
video things. And
Why
then
not?
after a release, after a 2 months, we'll see the success of the book. That is also one more video we can go ahead.
Yes,
And
some more marketing
because that's the
lessons.
way we can promote a book.
Yeah,
We can promote the book. We
sure,
can
sure.
how like how much we are talking to the about the book, that will help for the readers and for authors also.
Yeah, sure.
Yes.
Yeah, absolutely. I would love to interact with you once again.
Thank you. Thank you
Before and
very much.
after. Yeah. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Take
Thank you very
care.
much.
Yes. Bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye,
Bye.
everyone.
Yeah. Bye. Bye.